In this video, I will show how to search for people on Gmail. Sign in Gmail account. Search here people. Select your match mail. Now here click on this drop down. Then click on edit contact details. You can add name, surname and other data for this mail. There are also advanced search. Here you can search from to via subject. You can select any words, size, and also guys you can give the hint for has attachment. You can select date within. So this is the way guys you can search people on Gmail. Thanks for watching.